はい、皆さんこんばんは。ウィンスです。今日の気分はどう？お元気でしょうか？ Hi everyone, this is Vince. How are you feeling today? I hope you're doing fine. では皆さん、本日ですね、本日ですね、本日また基本的な漢字についてお話ししていきます。正確に言うと自然的な漢字、自然関係漢字、自然漢字ご紹介したいと思います。では皆さん、正確にこちらに表示した漢字です。For today, everyone, I would like to discuss another basic kanji, and again, this is nature related. Last time, it is related to nature, if you can recall. Trees, grove, and last time, mountains. And for today, it's another nature related kanji. It's river, 川。最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。I'll be happy if you will watch until the end. さっきのやかましい音、すみません。Sorry for that noise. では、引き続き continuing. For today, okay, we will discuss about this kanji, kawa, river, and it is quite easy, very easy actually. I'll be happy if you watch until the end. 皆さん, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so 早速始めていきましょう。Without further ado, I will now commence. Okay, it's written kanji here meaning river, written in 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it is written in this manner. Okay, it is written in this manner, minasan. But for greater appreciation, minasan, I want to show to you because as I have said many months ago that kanji are actually derived from pictures and inscriptions, bronze inscriptions and oracle bone inscriptions. Their kanji are actually pictures. So what is the origin of this kanji? So for greater appreciation, let me just show you some pictures. But before that, let's see some basic meaning. Imi, stream or river. And then onyomi, sen. Kunyomi, kawa. But honestly, minasan, between these two, the kunyomi is the more prevalent reading. This is more prevalent. The kawa or gawa, when you have a fukugogo, this kawa will become gawa. Very well then. Let me show you some pictures. Okay, so that's the meaning for kanji today. Okay, actually this kanji is also a radical. So as a radical or component, you can see this in some, not some, but quite a number of kanji within our nomenclature. So this kanji here is also a radical or component. So just like here in the shu or su meaning state or province, the radical river is written or indicated in red font. Okay, also here in this kanji, grade 3 kanji, the current or flow, this kind of kanji, ryu or ru or nagare, nagas. Also in elementary grade 4, obi or belt. You can see the river radical is in red font, and also in kun, as in kunyomi, kun. It's like here, kun. Also in other grade 4 kanji, kun, jun, meaning obey, or occasion or order. Okay, so, and let me show you that kanji are pictures, minasan. So kanji are pictures, so just like here. So the origin is here, river, and you can see 3 curves here, which is a depiction of our subject kanji today. Okay, it looks like this is look at this, minasan. The drawing of river, isn't it similar to our subject kanji today? It represents a river. So kanji are actually pictures, just like other kanji. Yama, you can see the how it evolved, okay, or you can see the evolution of pictures and how the kanji was derived. So you can see, minasan, is really from pictures. See, like sun or rain, fire. See, you may screenshot this, minasan, for your as a cheat sheet, just like I or me, mimi, ear. Okay, so shell, seashell, kai or guy, or tori, as in torikatsu. Okay, bird. So you can screenshot this, minasan, as a guide, and you can see here that kanji really are kanji characters really are derived from pictures. Okay, so let's go back to our main platform. Okay, so you know this already, the ancient drawing form, and the reading or sound enclosed in square brackets, sen or kawa. Okay, as a character or kanji character, it has the original meaning river, but when it is behaving as a radical or component, original meaning is also river. Actually, it's also river. So let's go to some vocabulary. Kasen is river. Kasen. How about this? This is for literature. Senryu. Okay. You may screenshot, minasan. You can continue doing screenshots. Now there's a question. Which of the two these are synonyms or dogigo or synonyms? So, but these two kanji characters have the same meaning, but which of the two is more prevalent in usage? The answer is the left one. This left one, our subject kanji for today. But this one is also kawa or river. And this one, a very familiar word, ogawa, meaning stream, book, and can also be a proper noun or a brand or name. Ogawa. How about this? Kawagishi. It means riverbank, riverside. Okay. Kasen is rivers. How about this? A very familiar name of city or a brand name for a automotive. Kawasaki. Okay, Ogawa. What this? Kawakami, upper reaches of a river. Kawakami. About this? Kawashimo, if we have upper stream, we have lower stream or downstream rather. Downstream. Kawashimo.
Kawashimo.
Now let's go to sentences. Let me just... Okay, minasan, let's go now to sentences. Please screenshot the others. In the interest of time, let's just save some time and let's just do some screenshots. But I will just choose 5 sentences from this list to save time. Okay. So, just like here. The ship sailed down the river. The ship sailed down the river.
船は川を下っていった。
Down the river is 下っていた。Down the river 川を下っていった。Ship is 船。
船は川を下っていった。
Or ship sailed. What is this? Thames?
船はテムズ川を登った。
Thames.
船はテムズ川を登った。
Oh, this. There is no river as the river is not, or rather, sorry. The river is no longer as clean as it used to be. So, okay.
川はもはや昔のようにきれいではない。
Clean is kirei. Mohaya is no longer. Mohaya is no longer. Mukashi is old times.
川はもはや昔のようにきれいではない。
Okay, how about this? Let's go and swim in the river. Let's go and swim in the river.
川に行って泳ごう。
Oyogu is the dictionary form for swim, but if you want to invite someone or if you want to suggest an activity and inviting, let's say, a friend or friends, you will use this. Oyogo is the base form or dictionary form, and oyogo is the volitional form, as in inviting your friends or someone. It's like here.
川に行って泳ごう。
And here, there was no water in the river. Oh, there was no water in the river. 川には水がありませんでした。
川には水がありませんでした。
So you can see, minasan, the deshita was used because the tense is in past tense. There was no water. No water. ありませんでした。
川には水がありませんでした。
Okay. Actually, if you want to say that if you focus a thing or within the river, you would say niwa. Niwa. Or within the river, or talking about the river, niwa. 川には。
川には水がありませんでした。
You would want to use niwa. So let's now go to names. Minasan, our subject kanji today, kawa, is usually used in proper nouns with the reading kawa or gawa. It's very, very seldom that you will use the reading sen to be used in proper nouns for this kanji character. Usually it's kawa or gawa. Just like here. Ishikawa. This is Ishikawa. This is Ishikawa. Okay, the readings are written below in kana writing. This is Ogawa. This is Ogawa. Okay, how about this? This is... We have 4 readings for this.
長谷川、長谷川、長谷川、早川。
But the more prevalent among those, the most prevalent among those 4 is Hasegawa. Hasegawa. How about this? Nakagawa.
中川、中が、中川、中川、野加賀。
How about this? Furukawa. Okay. And for other names, for other proper nouns, minasan, may I just ask you to just screenshot those the readings are written below in kana form, or kana writing. Oh, this is Nishikawa. This is Nishikawa, or Western River, Nishikawa. Oh, this Kawaguchi. This is Kawaguchi. The second kanji is kuchi, but since it's fukugogo or kanji compounding, the kuchi will receive the dactyl form. Kuchi becomes guchi. So, Kawaguchi. And now, Kawasaki. Also a very prevalent proper noun in Japan. Kawasaki. Okay, minasan. We reached the last point, minasan. And I thank you for helping me grow this channel, minasan. 今日ここまでです。それでは終了。というわけで終了です。With this 皆さん、this is the last point of our lecture. 今日ここまでです。I'll see you in the next video 皆さん。I'll see you in the next video. また次の動画でご視聴くださりありがとうございました。最後まで見てくれて本当にありがとう。Thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. また次の動画で。もしよろしければいいねボタンを押して高評価とチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。If it's okay with you, minasan, please, if it's okay with you, minasan, please press that like button and help me share this material. And you may also use this video of mine. You can, I will not claim any copyright strike. And please help me in having more subscribers. If you could subscribe, invite more subscribers to my channel. もしよろしければチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。では皆さん、Thank you for watching until the end. また次の動画でバイバイ。ありがとう。バイバイ皆さん。Thank you. バイバイ。